Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 6 at 183 Kooyong Road in Rivervale. If you've been looking to buy into Rivervale, but your budget only stretches to homes with a courtyard, then look no further than these hidden gems. It's got two generous sized backyards that leaves you with either for gardens or for the kids to run around in. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 6 at 183 Kooyong Road in Rivervale. As you can see, these homes just ooze potential, from the big backyards to the open plan living. The choices are limitless. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.